Okay, so we're going to adjust one of these. And first thing you need is a little Allen key, 3/32 of an inch Allen key, and a little screwdriver. You can see it's got a cover on there and a screw on one side. And if we come around here, there's a screw here. So to get at the internals, we got to take out 2 screws and remove that cover. Okay, so I took the 2 screws out here, and this guy just comes straight off, even with this. And then there's a little diagram on here telling you how to change the force. If you look on top of the unit, there are 3 adjustable areas. This one, and this one right here. And they control the speed at which the door closes, the speed and the force. The one on the inside here, which is closest to the hinge, controls the force when the door is just about to close. The middle one right here controls the main part of the swing of the door. And this one right here controls the door when it opens closest to this wall, so when it's furthest open. So before I get into this, another thing to check is to make sure that this link is 90 degrees to the door frame. So where it comes out of the door frame here, it should be perpendicular to the door frame at 90 degrees. And if it's not, see on the top of here is a bolt which you can loosen, and that will change the angle. So make sure you set this whole rig to 90 degrees. So as you can see, that one closes pretty hard. I'm going to go up here to this adjuster and put this in here and turn it clockwise. Turning it clockwise is going to make it shut a lot softer. Let's try that because it might need some adjusting. As you can see, it closes very softly now that I adjusted it, but not hard enough to actually set the lock. So I'm going to go back to the control at the top. Okay, so I had it where it was slamming too hard, and then I adjusted it where it was too soft. So I've just gone back, made an adjustment, and it's pretty fine. Let's try this. Just about perfect. Just closes, and is a nice gentle close, not a slam. I just did a final tweak. That is beautiful. I like that. Smash in. Nice and soft, not annoying your neighbors. Thing to note when adjusting these is never unscrew these all the way out. They are hydraulic and you don't want to unscrew them and have a leaky mess. Like I say, there's a couple of guides on the body there, and all that's left for me to do is to put the cover back on. There we have it.